Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Maya and it's vlogmas day 3 and I'm very excited. Very much excited. Today I'm going to be baking cookies. What kind of cookies, you might ask? I'm making the best cookies to ever exist. Let me grab them. To the kitchen. I mean, I'm in the kitchen. To the fridge. If you know me, you know. I love these bad boys. The Pillsbury holiday cookies. I'm baking both. That's what we're doing today. And then also I'm gonna wrap some presents after this. So family members, don't watch this video. Thank you. So yeah, we're gonna bake these bad boys. And I'm very much excited because I love these cookies with my whole soul. Like 99% sure this is the pan I used last time. So what should we start with, guys? So we start with Christmas tree or the snowman? Christmas tree. They're both getting done, so it does not matter. I freaking love these, and you better believe I'm eating a dough, like a little. Last time I made these, I made like the Halloween ones. They were perfect. I made them perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So I'm hoping that happens this time because me and my friends are having a little friend's Christmas tomorrow, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna bring these because when I tell you, when we see these cookies, we eat them up. Look at these. Yeah, cutest things I've ever seen in my life. I feel like I can't really like update you on anything in my life because you literally have seen me in the past 2 days and nothing crazy has changed. You know what I mean? Like nothing crazy is really happening in my life right now. Well, that's in the story for another time. But, ooh, distracted. I'll tell that story one day, maybe. We'll see how I feel. Everyone that knows me knows what I'm referring to. Anyways, I don't think you guys understand, like when it comes to these cookies, I am a different human. I will literally go feral for these hoes. Like these things are so good for no reason. Like, except these used to come in a pack of 24, now they come in a pack of 20. So I want to know why they cut down on the 24. Okay, so now we have to wait for the oven to preheat. So let's just chat. Let's talk. Oh my gosh, guys, one year, let me tell you this story. So, you know, me as a kid, I wasn't I wouldn't say I was a bad kid, right? Like, I think I was a good kid. I just had attitude problems, you know what I mean? But who doesn't? In my defense, who doesn't have attitude problems? Anyways, I very much had attitude problems back in the day. And when things didn't go my way, I was not pleasant to be around. And I can admit that now because it's called growth. I was a problematic child. But I wasn't that bad. Except one year, I must have been horrendous because why did I get coal for Christmas? You know how like they always say like if you're bad on Christmas you'll get coal? I got a lump of coal for Christmas. I saw that and I said, ain't no way. Ain't no way. This did not just happen to me. It did, it very much did, and I was traumatized. I didn't change my ways, but I just felt like it was very aggressive to come at me with coal. But you know, you live and you learn. I'm not like that anymore, I don't think. But it's just like, who? Coal? I'm traumatized. Traumatized, like actually it was so crazy. That's gonna be ingrained in my brain. Is that the term? Ingrained? Engraved. Engraved? Ingrained. Engraved. No, engraved is when you write something on something. Ingrained? Yes. Ingrained, not engraved. What the fuck? What? Yo, guys, I should go back to school. Whatever. It's gonna be permanently stuck in my brain for the rest of my life because that was traumatizing. I will never forget that till the day I die. I will be on my deathbed and I will be like, yo, remember that one time I got coal for Christmas? But I mean, I did have a very bad attitude problem as a child. But the thing is, like, people pushed me to that point, you know? Like, it wasn't really my fault. Like, people pushed me. Like, me and my sister, let me put those down. She just pushed me to the point of no return. Like, not that I'm blaming her, but except I did cause 99% of her fights. And back then I would never have admitted that, but now I am a changed woman. Also, got my nails done today. Kinda cute. And I got French tip, and then I put like a little silver line under because, you know, holiday season, and I cut them mad short. Mad short. Walking in a winter wonderland. Here comes Santa Claus. Let me tell you about my day. So this morning, woke up, allergies, disgusting. As you know, I'm allergic to goddamn pine and Christmas trees. And what do we have in my house? A Christmas tree. A real one, I might add. Woke up, allergies, horrendous. So I said, great. Holiday season's kicking off. Great, allergies are now here because of this damn tree. Sneezing left, right, center. Every 5 seconds. It was achoo, 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 achoo. And I said, like, my family has come to the point now that they know they can bless me once and then just stop because there's no reason to bless me 17 times. I take Benadryl because Benadryl is the only thing that works for me. No other allergy medicine works for me the way Benadryl works for me. And Benadryl's smart because you can't have allergies when you're asleep. Took a little baby nap, woke up and I said, I don't want to do this. Then I went to my nail appointment, got my nails done, and now I'm here. And I'm still feeling very tired from the Benadryl, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, Benadryl just takes me out. I think this video is gonna be so boring because my energy is not up there. So I'll be back when I'm gonna put the cookies in. I will be right back. Don't miss me. Don't miss me too much. Miss me a little bit, but not too much. The cookies are ready to go in. Oh, that's hot. We set a timer for 12 to 14 minutes. So I'm gonna do 13 and then I'll be back and we'll check on the cookies, and if it needs a little bit more time, we'll do it for 1 more minute and then take them out. I should really start dressing cute for these videos because I really don't. I really wear sweatpants all the time. Okay, so the cookies are out. I have to let them cool for at least like a minute before removing from the thing to put onto the thing. You know what I'm saying? Oh, these bad boys are perfecto. They're perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Guys, I actually can't believe it's almost Christmas. Like, I really can't believe it. I have to go wrap some presents, put under the Christmas tree. I also just can't handle the fact that it's almost 2023. I still feel like last year was 2019. Honestly, this pandemic has messed my whole brain up. Like, I don't understand. I don't understand what's happening here. Let's bring you over here. Please don't be hot. Oh my lord, why did I do that? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? God, I'm an idiot sometimes. Okay, round 2. We're doing the snowmen now. These are the best freaking cookies ever. I don't know who put their kajussi into this, but oh my god. Guys, I feel like my mood is just not what it needs to be today. And I'm very sorry about that. But I did promise 12 days of vlogmas. And even if that's me being in a horrible mood, I wouldn't say I'm in a horrible mood. I just feel like, ugh. I don't know. I think it's also the Benadryl that's making me tired. Okay, I'm gonna put these in that thing and then I'll be back. Okay, so the cookies are almost ready. They have like a minute left. Look how cute. Little Christmas trees. I love these. I feel like they're ready because there's like 40 seconds, but I started the timer late because I got sidetracked. Always forget to turn off the oven. That's my toxic trait, is that I forget to do that all the time. And then someone will come downstairs and be like, is this supposed to be on? And I'm like, I don't really know like what I'm doing, you know? I'm kind of just taking these day by day and hoping the outcome is decent, you know? I'm out here just really trying to push out content for you guys. And I'm very excited about this though. Like, I think Vlogmas is fun. It's just, I'm scared you're gonna get so bored of me because I get so bored of me. So like, let's not get bored of me, okay? Cool. Thank y'all. Okay, I'm gonna put these snowman cookies in here, and then we're gonna go upstairs and we're gonna decorate. We're gonna go wrap some presents. So get ready to see my shitty ass wrapping skills because I can't wrap to save my life. Hi, we're sitting on my floor. I'm gonna wrap some presents right now. I have a ring light. That's like the smallest ring light I've ever seen in my life. Okay, it's not that small, but it's pretty small. I'm just trying to give some sort of light onto my face because it's nighttime and I'm wrapping presents and I don't have the best lighting. I have one really big box that I need to wrap and I don't know how I'm gonna do this. We're gonna do smaller ones first. I'm gonna ow. You know how I sliced the sidewalk plow is plowing. You know how I sliced my finger in the first video? Yeah, it hurts really bad. And I like accidentally sliced on it again today, now it was bleeding. I'm gonna try my best to not like expose what everything is, even though like when I buy gifts for people, I just want to tell them. I need to like pull this out in a way that no one will see it. Got this wrapping paper from downstairs. It's so cute. I love like cutesy little wrapping paper like this. But also I'm so bad at wrapping gifts, it's like not even funny. But like, I think I'll be able to make it work. So we're gonna cut this way. The best thing ever with wrapping paper is when you can cut it and you can kind of just glide it through and it just like, oh, that shit gets me going. See, the thing is, like, what's so crazy about like wanting to like wrap presents and make everything perfect, it's like, it doesn't matter because they're gonna rip the paper anyways when they open it, so it can look like shit. It's literally straight for the aesthetics and wanting to brag that you know how to wrap. You know what, I don't care. I'm a shit rapper and I live by that. Oh my god, how did I already mess this up? I swear to god I did this correctly. Like, I put this, I'm so embarrassed. Guys, there's this new album. Have you listened to it? Because I have. And it's so freaking so good. Kill Bill? Yeah. Yeah. It's so funny because I will be singing, you know, the line that's like trending all over TikTok, which is like, I might kill my ex, not the best idea. And it's like, for somebody, I really have no business like singing that song because like I broke up with my ex. So if anything, my ex is probably saying that about me. I'm gonna have a mental breakdown. I'm actually gonna have a mental breakdown and panic. Okay. My problem is I like to do things like perfectly, and if they don't go the way I think they're gonna go, even though they could be like good to someone else's standard, to me, shit, and I beat myself up over it. I'm just gonna have a therapy session every single time I press record because I think I need it.
Where you going?
I'm wrapping your present.
Oh, mine?
Go away. Go away. What do you need to talk to me about? See how fast it took you to do your hair? See how fast it took you to do your hair? Yeah, stop complaining.
White people problems.
White people problems for real. Oh my god, I just get overwhelmed so freaking easily. Okay, don't panic. Don't have a panic attack right now. It's actually like embarrassing how stressed out I get. I see like TikToks of people that like wrap presents so good, and I'm like, how do y'all do that? I'm like struggling with tape right now. That's out of the way. Oh my god, we're not gonna look at the back of that though, because that's disgusting. Okay, next present. I fucked this up with the wrapping. I'm gonna be so mad because there's physically no way I can butcher this one. There's physically no way. But when there's a will, there's a way. So it might happen. Maybe wrapping isn't meant for me and I'm supposed to just put things in bags. Because every year I'm like, I want to wrap my presents and put them under the tree because wrapping is so cute. And every year I tell myself, why am I doing this? You know what? It's the thought that counts. I can't be good at everything, you know? What the hell? How do you like wrap a present perfectly? Something's not adding up. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna charge my camera for a second because I have a second battery, but I don't even think that's charged. So I'm just gonna charge this really quickly and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I took my headband off because it was giving me the fattest headache. But I also think that's because I didn't have a coffee today. So I made a coffee at 11:30 p.m. My parents are very much asleep too. My lips are irritating right now because when I'm anxious and stressed out and my anxiety is like through the roof, I like become a fucking cannibal carnivore type. What is a, I don't even know. And I bite the skin off of my lips, like I rip the skin off, so my lips are always freaking irritated. It's so annoying because it's like, ew. Wrapping presents should not be this difficult. Let me tell you that. I was gonna say something, guys, seriously, and I'm really mad that I don't remember what I was gonna tell you. And it's actually irritating me. This is why, like, when I have a thought, I need to get it out as soon as possible or else I will never remember again and we'll just all be mad. I don't know. Okay. Stop making me smile at my phone. I'm being a perfectionist. I need to stop. I don't know what I was trying to wrap over there. I want to re-wrap those presents now that I remember how to wrap this goddamn gift. Because, hear me out. I don't wrap presents unless it's for Christmas. Like, I only ever wrap presents for Christmas. If it's birthdays, I'll put it in a bag. So why this side is not the same? Okay, guys. Now it's time for the big present. Yeah. When I tell you I love my niece, but this is a little excessive. How the fuck am I gonna wrap this? This is gonna take up the whole, we're doing it. We're committing. There's no way. This isn't even the same, it's shorter than the box. Hold on. Oh, I can do this. I don't think I can do this. Oh my goodness gracious. No, this isn't working. I'm gonna save this one for later because there's simply no way this is happening right now. I'll figure this out. I'll figure that this is for another day. We'll figure this out on another video, okay guys? To my future husband, you're gonna have to do all gift wrapping for all friends and family because it's not gonna be me. It's a thought that counts, it's a thought that counts, it's a thought that counts, it's a thought that counts. Whew. I'm over it. I'm ending this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Me and wrapping, we're not friends. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!